we will download Python from python.org. Here we are downloading the latest version for Mac. Let's install Python. Python 3 is now installed. We can go to the terminal and verify it. We can use the command python 3 space -- version. Yes, Python is installed. Now let's install Pycharm. Pycharm is the Python editor which we will be using here. That's the website JetBrains to download Pycharm. We're downloading the community version. That's our first new project. We'll name it as Python Basics. We create our first program. Let's change the UI theme to light. File. New Python file. We'll name it as Hello World. We can see that helloworld.py file has been created. .py, which means that is a Python file. So this is our project. Print brackets double quotes hello world. For executing this program, right click and click run. Or we can also go to the run menu. We can see that the hello world is printed in the output window. That was our very first Python program.